Hi guys, I got another packages. This time I got two packages, well, one of each, from Big Bad Toy Store and Amiami. So let's open the Big Bad Toy Store one. So this one, I had to pay a custom charge. And you know, usually you have to pay these stupid custom charges, and it's just dumb. But this one I didn't. It's really good. That's a good thing. So sometimes you can get away with it, but sometimes you can't. And they want you to pay for it. Sucks, I know. Well, without further ado, let's unpack this. I already know what this is, but I'm not gonna say. Quite a while to get it. I'll make 2 figures to get this figure, right? Can't wait to get away. Figure soon. Okay. Got a funny guy. Oh yes. More stuff. Voice. Oh, another box. I got another box to unpack. That's funny. And here we go, guys. Panda the Arts View the Arts Mega Man X. The reason I got this figure, ever since I played Project Zone, a stupid game, I got interested in this character. I knew about Mega Man X and this and that, such forth, and I know Mega Man. I like the classic one. But when I saw this villain in the game, and I saw Mega Man X, and I played some retro games lately. Yeah, this villain's very interesting. I thought you would get it, and I imported this from Big Bad Toy Store. Obviously the figure came out last year, so obviously, you know, it's not an old figure still, but it's still new practically to me. But they were selling it exclusively to Tamashi exclusive website, so I mean, wasn't doing it, so I had to import this from Big Bad Toy Store. But it looks cool though. Yeah, it looks awesome, man. Can't wait to do a review on this. Awesome. Okay, that's done. And let's open this one. It's from Amiami. Okay. See what I got in this one. Oh yes! I got another Brenda Diaz. It's the Venusaur figure. Finally, no one has done a review yet, so I think I'm going to be the first person to upload it. Looks awesome, man. Been waiting this figure for a while. I peeled this like months ago, so it's awesome, man. So there you go, guys. I got two packages from, no, one each packages from BigBadToyStore and Amiami, and they're both Bandai DRs. That's so cool. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Peace, and more to come.